Okay, good evening everyone. Here we from group C class era will present the work of our group with the title Electric Motor Actuator. The first uh, member of our team is Aditya Firmansyah. The second member is Sigidi Primaritya. Second Adrian Junior, Natalia Exclesia, and the last Nikadek Sriratna. The first discussion is definition of actuators. The electric motor actuators use an electric motor as a power source to produce mechanical movement. The electric motor used can be a DC or direct current or a AC motor alternative current depending on the application and needs. These actuators offer accurate and precision control in the valve settings. This type of actuator is widely used in various applications such as valve control, automatic door and window driver, or in robotic system. The second discussion is type of electric motor actuator. The first is solenoid, converted an electric signal or electric current into a mechanical linear motion. Number two is a relay, electric connecting large current automatically. Number three is motor DC, basic electromechanical equipment that function to convert electricity into mechanical power. Number four is motor servo, able to work to direction CW and CCW, where the direction and angle of the motor movement can be controlled by providing the PWM signal the classical setting on the control pin section. Okay, next is electric motor actuator component. Number one is electrical circuits, a collection of components such as cables, switches, and relays that flow electric current from the source to the motor. These include safety components such as circuit safety that protect the motor from excessive current or other electrical disturbances. Number two is rotor, is a rotating part an electric motor and is usually made of metal or other magnetic material. When electric current flow through wheel rolls around the rotor, the magnetic field produced causes rotor rotation, producing the desired mechanical movement. Next, number three is stator, a part of the electric motor that is silent and produce a magnetic field need to rotate the rotor, usually consisting of copper wire coil wrapped around the metal core. When the electric current flow through the stator coil, the magnetic field produced interacts with the magnetic field on the rotor, causing the rotor to rotate. Number four is bearing, a mechanical component that supports the rotor shaft so that it can rotate smoothly, usually made of friction resistant materials such as metal and or ceramic and placed between the rotor shaft and motor housing. Bearing surface to reduce friction and ensure smooth movement when the rotor rotates. Number five is electronic control. Control is consistent of components such as microcontroller, sensor, and control circuit that regulates the performance of the motor according to the demand or working condition. This can include the variable speed rate or VCD control system that regulates the speed of the motor according to the load or demand, as well the temperature control system that protect the motor from overheat. Next is working principle of electric motor actuators. In general, the working principle of an electric motor actuators is the convert electrical energy into mechanical movement. The working Principle is number one is electric input. Actuator receive electrical input from external sources such as batteries or the other electric sources. Number two, energy conversion. The electrical energy is the converted into mechanical energy by the electric motor in the actuators. Number three, mechanical movement. The mechanical energy that has been produced can be used to drive mechanical component in the actuators such as gear, belt, and other. Number four is output. This mechanical movement can be used to move component linear or rotation. Next is example of application. Electric motor actuators can increase the control and efficiency of an object. The example of the application of electric motor actuators is follow. Number one is chainsaw. The electric motor is used to produce rotation movement that are transmitted through gear or blade to the shaft of the saw knife. The rotation movement allow the saw knife to move back and forth according to use. Number two, fan. The electric motor actuator is used to produce rotation movement in the fan propeller. The faster the rotor rotates, the faster rotating fan propeller and can also move the fan head horizontal. Number three is modern car window. The electric motor actuator is used to produce mechanical movement up and down. The window acts automatically by pressing the control button. When the control button is pressed, the electrical signal is sent to the driving motor, which then results in a mechanical movement. This mechanical movement, the gear and its machine system so that the car window can move according to the command up or down. Number 4 is automatic doors. The electric motor actuator is used to produce the movement of opening and closing the door automatically. As in the automatic door, one is the shopping seat. When we approach the sensor, door will detect, which will then send a response to the electric motor actuator to move to door according to the mechanism. Next is electric motor actuator innovation. Number 1, the compact and light electric motorbike. Compact and lightweight actuators are very helpful in limited space. Number 2 is uses of smart material. Materials such as piezoelectrics are easy to use for actuators. Number 3, use of energy maintenance system. Energy maintenance helps optimize energy in the actuators. Number 4, connected smart actuators. IoT connected actuators can be controlled remotely. Number 5 is sensor integrated and artificial intelligence or AI. Sensor and artificial intelligence can improve control and surveillance. Next is environmental sustainability. Number 1, reduction of exhaust emission. Number 2, the use of for fossil fuels. Number 3, noise reduction. Number 4, higher energy efficiency. Number 5, clear environmental maintenance. And the last, number 6, stimulation of innovation and development of environmental friendly technology. Next, access electric motor actuators. Number 1, precision. Electric motor often offer high precision in control movements, especially when used in a combination with sophisticated control systems such as PID, proportional, integral, and derivative control. Number 2, responsive. Electric motor actually have a rapid response to the control signal, allowing for rapid change in movement and adjustment when needed. Energy efficiency. Some types of electric motors such as Bruce Lee DC or BLDC or servo motor can be very efficient in energy use, produce less heat and require less power than other actuator solution. Easy of integration. Electric motor can be easily integrated with various control system and electronic device, allowing better automation in application that require complex control. Next, lack of electric motor actuator. Number one, highly initial cost. The initial cost to buy and install the electric motor can be high. Sometimes this not only includes the cost of the motor itself, but also additional devices such as motor driver, controller, and control system need to operate the motor effectively. Number two, risk of damage. In some type of motorcycles such as DC brushed motorcycle, friction to the occurs during urgency can cause wear on the motor components such as brush. In addition, extreme environmental condition or incorrect operation can cause damage to the motor which requires repair or replacement. Number three is limitation in maximum load. Some electric motor have limitation in the maximum load they can handle. This can be a problem in application where the expect load change significantly or where large load are needed. Number four, dependence on electric resource. Electric motor actuators requires electricity resource to the operations. This means the cannot function if there is not electricity supply available. This dependence make the them less suitable for application in the environment that do not have access to electricity. The last is conclusion. Electric motor actuators is an important device in various industrial and automotive applications that convert electrical energy into use mechanical movement. The main component of motor actuators include rotor, rotating, and stator, which are silent, which work together to produce movement thanks to the integration of the magnetic field produced by the electric current. With the support of bearing, motorcycle actuators can move smoothly and efficiently. Electric control allows that speed settings and performance of the motorcycle actuator, which can be adjusted to the needs of certain application. In various industries, electric motor actuators are used to drive various kind of device range from factory machinery to the electric vehicle component, making it an integral element in the manufacturing process and modern transportation. Okay, so many presentation from us. More is less. Sorry. We and good evening, everyone.